That's their color is a bombsword color. You put the pony, put the pony. Kill the mob, kill the mob. Watch my west side. Watch my west side.
Sila.
Yeah. Watch my west side. Actually, pwede kayo mag-OC since didiretso tayo castle after.
Ay!
Careful, careful. They're looking. Shallow, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back. They still have engage. Ready defenses, okay? Kite back. East. Color looking. Defend now. Everyone step up. Hold them. Look at me. Keep walking. Just walk. Look at me, shallow. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Kite back. Kite back. Get out of the choke. Kite back agad. Help everyone in the front. Come on, please. Reset. Tell me if you have cool down. Ready to headbutt. May rock dito sa gitna, so hindi kayo makakadaan dyan. Hold on eh. Careful. Royal, meron ka ba? Setup?
Meron, pwede naman.
Go, setupan mo ako.
Mag-engage na tayo mga.
Yo, Southwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice one, Royal. Walk in.
Patay si 6 ako.
They don't know that.
Royal, I love you!
They don't know that. No color.
I love you, Royal!
Fucking hell. Nice
Ayos
one.
yung setup na yun,
Cartoon.
Pwede na
Guard
yung
rune.
spike mo.
Engage ba?
Kill everyone. They're running.
Paano ka?
Ready.
Meron dito, may nabal ako.
Terren nila. Engage ka pa. Ayaw mo?
Yeah,
Oh,
northwest,
what?
5, 4, kung kaya 3, 2, 1, catch. Just kill everyone. Gago, natulak.
Dahil...
Okay, kama. Launch na ba natin to? Launch na nakibig natin.
Oh, para mag-dip.
Magaling gayon si 6 ako. Yo, careful, they're looking ah. Kahit wala pa silang color, they're looking ah. Yo, bam! Southwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, heal me. Pinapatay ko to healer.
Atras na. Paano?
Okay, come back. Reset your cooldown. Step up.
Pwede na ako.
Kill the guards muna. 6-0 here, callers here. Kill the mobs. 6-0 here, Leopai. Come northwest. Come NW.
Yan yung bomb mo.
Wala kang siege banner.
Over the wall, southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall. Ay, gago, di ko nahuli. Come back. It's fine. Reset your cooldown. Yo, they're looking. Reset fast. Walking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, send it. Meron. Okay, come back. It's fine. Come back. They still have cooldown ah. They can engage pa. They can engage. Careful. Get out of the choke. Huwag kayo sa choke magsistay ever. Reset fast.
Ready.
Kill the guards, guys.
Mag-over the wall ata sa sigaw ako. Ingat ah.
Perma engage, get ready. Look at southwest over the wall. Perma engage, southwest. Wait, sorry. Nag-cancel sila.
What?
Nag-cancel sila.
Okay. Reset na ka.
Okay, reset. Over the wall, west side, get ready. Wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah!
6 ako, mara pa.
Careful. Come back. Defend. Fake. They still have cooldown, ha? They can still engage.
Ready na.
You have cooldown? Ready? Count. Headbutt. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Kill everyone here. Okay, sige. Come back. Reset muna tayo. Can we kill the guards muna? Para hindi tayo makakasalan?
Kailangan
Focus on
ko
the guard.
mag-guardian, boy. Ay, manitel.
And then, walk in ka lang talaga, Select.
Tapangan ko na lang.
Oo, tapakan mo na lang.
Ikaw ang ako.
Yung style mo.
Eh,
Pero tutulak ako pagka eh.
Kill the
Bumabalik
guards
na
muna.
ako eh.
Kill the guards. Marley ka. Oh, yo, I'm gonna fake, Get ready to perma engage, I'm gonna fake only, Oh, do. Heal me. Careful. Yo, can I get the occult southwest? Well, faking tayo. Oh, do. Oy, fake. Why you sperm? Yo,
Ako yun,
spread.
gago.
Yo, Bobby Bots. Defend. Walk in. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Ay, come back. Kite back. Mage na. Kite back.
Kota na GE, pre.
Sige lang. Kite back. Heal me. Yo, demon armor and then guard rune, wake up. You have to wake up, guard rune. Kasi yung flag ko. Hindi ko pala na ano. Takina.
Hindi mo na pa, pre.
Hindi ko na pop.
Yes. GG.
Sabi ko ba't parang wala akong flag. Yo, ready, perma engage. Look at my perma. Look at my mark, West side, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Hit. Ay, come back. Kite back. We killed one. Kite back. Reset your cooldown. They're gonna look here, They're looking.
5 mo.
Oh, do.
Ready.
Ready. Headbutt. Full defend. Headbutt. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill inside. Okay. Sige. Reset. Kailangan natin pa-start patayin yung mage. Kasi kakasal pa tayo.
Ready. Perma ready.
Kill the guards. Kill the guards. Full engage on the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the guards. Then kite back. Ira, wag mo gamitin yun, yung Orfrost pang damage. Pang kite lang. So, pag nakita mo pa-engage yung kalaban or palapit sa atin, itulak mo. Reset your cooldown. You guys have cooldown? Okay. Now step up. Step up kayo sa northwest side, okay? Take space northwest. Okay, wag niyo yung mage. South,
Ready,
look at
ready.
wait. On the mage lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage lang. Then kite back agad. They're gonna look. 6-0 gonna look. Keep coming. 6-0 looking. Ready? Wait. Reset lang. Tell me if you have cooldown already.
Ready.
Headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt. Yo, kill 6-0 here.
Wow.
Okay, come back. Sabay. Okay. Medyo delikado kayo sa mga engage na. Reset fast.
Ready.
Yeah. Ako di ready.
GG.
Do. Fake. Yo, set upan mo naman ako dyan. Baka ma-set upan mo ako dyan.
Manalo lang spread sa unti pa nila. Puro play. Nakikita ko.
Nasa south ng tower. Yo, be at the northwest side, yes.
Nasa south lahat ng malalambot.
Nandun yung mage, Yo, what 6-0? Pa-J na lang siya mamaya. Ang ginagawa nito ni Momotaro.
Dali na akong pat
Looking siwa yung GA sa atin, Baka mag-set up.
Do. Yo, shallow, look at me. Wait. Wait. On 6-0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 per mega on 6-0. Then full, come back. Kite back. They're gonna try to walk, they're gonna try to step in. They're walking in. Defend now. Heal up. Everyone step up. Huwag niyo patakasin. Johnny, why you there? Why on the mage, man? Southwest, west shallow, west shallow, west shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west shallow. And kite back northeast, kite back northeast. Wala pa silang engage, wala pa silang engage, wala pa silang engage. Why is Johnny deep? They have engage. Looking, defend now. Okay, just hold. Reset nyo lang. How many seconds reset nyo?
Ready.
South side! Look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, gagong galing.
Putang ina mo.
Okay.
GG.
Okay. Garden west side.
Full jacket, tangin.
Putay na, ang lupit na.
Para ang gagi naman.
Defend. Heal. Ang bagal. Heal too slow.
Bagay, ay. Pakat na kami.
Yeah.
Puta, mali na po.
Sa mali ito?
Yo, shallow. Okay, perma engage pabilisan. Sino ba ang perma ko? Ikaw? Okay.
Kaya.
Look at 600 We full send on 600. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on 600. Okay, come back. Reset your cooldown. Okay, ganun ang gusto ko sa DPS ko dapat. Ganun dapat kayo ng 08 UTC, man.
Ano?
Royal Jacket.
Wala siya ako ng ATOT sa pre.
Okay, again, we practice perma engage, okay? We practice perma engage. Wait lang. On the mage tayo, step up. Wait, come northwest. Be at the northwest side, guys. I'm at the northwest side. Perma engage shallow. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage. Kite back. It's fine. Kaya ba?
Gago. Hindi ka na. One bird.
Kite. Defend now. Okay, good job. Paalalayan ng mga tao sa harap. Thank you.
Ready.
Okay. Yeah, we do shallow engage again. Okay. Look at me on the skull. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the skull.
Puta. Na-fair kami.
Come back. Sige, we killed one. Come back. Kite back. Full heal front. Help front. Help everyone. Careful mga nasa southeast. Be at the northeast side. Careful.
Pahingi lang.
How many seconds cooldown?
Ready.
Okay. Again. Okay, perma engage on the skull. Okay, west side. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Late yung perma. Bagal ang perma.
Na-fair pre. Sorry.
Yung Ilocos movie pa na early.
Nag-i-spam lang yung demonic pre. Sorry.
Dalawa yung ano ko yung locus ko
Dalawang beses na kami na prepare lang kami ng
Na-fair lang kami nung demonic pre.
Come southeast.
Demonic kaya target
Ayan, nandiyan na si 60 Nandiyan na si 60 Asan ba yung demonic yan? Yo, kill the mobs.
Watching lang sa atin.
Yo, everyone on the mage lang.
Hindi makaya
On the mage lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage. Then come back. Defenses. Kite east. Huwag kayo sa harap lahat, please. Kite agad. Reset your cooldown. They're stepping. Defend now. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Oh my fucking god. That was very obvious. Fucking obvious. Oh, fucking obvious. Fake. On 6-0, everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on him. Kite back. Reset your cooldown. They're gonna engage soon. 6-0 is looking. Ready defenses. 6-0 looking. You have cooldown. Get ready.
Ready.
West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me. Kite back. They have cooldown. Pop your pots. Defenses. Full defend.
Like,
Oh. Kami side.
natitrip
Ay,
tayo.
Oh, yeah. Kami side.
Nasa
Ito yung demonic ko, yung killing.
Yung killing.
Kami side. I'm waiting for my gear. Ay, so obvious. Yet people die. So obvious. Everything, 5, perma engage. 4, 3, 2, 1, perma engage. Late yung perma. Agahan mo konti para hindi mo makagalaw.
Nakapag-patch
Reset
pre.
pass. Hindi, kaya nga para hindi makapag-pads. Fake.
Agad.
Hahatak to si 6-0 hahatak yan. Look at him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on him. Kite back agad. Ready defenses ha. Peel agad. Defenses. Peel agad. Peel. Keep kiting. Okay, keep kiting. Huwag kayo sarap. Reset yung cooldown nyo. Re-engage yung west side. Peel up. Now walk up. On 6-0. West side. Perma engage. 5. After the night armor. Everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Ay, putang ina. Nakatakbo pa.
May dying. Cut yung ano.
Yeah, kite back. Saan yung spike ko? Nasaan na si healer? What the fuck is this nigga?
Ready. Tagal naman lang
Okay.
bigyan.
Yo, comes out. Can we target the mage? Para mabilis. Nasaan na yung flag? Careful. Yan ang reaction type. Pag night armor. Full engage, Perma engage on the GA sa southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the si Perma. Okay, come northeast. Okay. They're stepping up ha. Napatay natin yung GA. Looking 6-0. Fake. Yung main engage na next ha. You have cooldown. Looking, headbutt west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, headbutt west side. Come back agad. May engage ba si 6-0 ha? Kite back agad. Nice kite. Keep kiting. Good kite. Looking. Careful. Okay. Now, I wanna perma engage that demonic on the west side ha.
Okay, sige.
Wait lang, palapitin nyo. That demonic is annoying. On the mage, step up. On the mage. West side. Wait. On the mage. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage. Nakite back. Why is the longbow missing? How are you missing a fucking easy engage, man? Defend. Hilagad.
Hilman mo.
Hilagad. How is the longbow missing?
Ready.
Southwest again, on the mage again. Step up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the mage only. Nakite back. Help everyone to come back. Yo, can we full damage the mage? Hindi natin na full damage. Bakit? On the mage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the mage lang. Nakite back. Careful east side, careful southeast, fully southeast. Nice heals, okay? Now hold. Heal up on everyone, okay? Heal up on everyone. Comes out. Okay? Hold. West side on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage, guys. On the mage. Hit the mage. Kite back agad. Kite back east side kayo mag-kite. Wag sa wall. Heal up. Looking si 6-0. Looking. Defenses. Ay, good. Now come back. Come. West side sa mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side sa mage.
Here.
Palo ko sa maga sa choke na yun. All ko din. Looking si 6-0 ah.
Hindi na.
Kami east side. Sa east side kayo pumesto. Okay, sige. I-guard room na lang. Careful! West side, get ready. Step up.
Dito
I'm gonna fake lang ha. Step up lang kayo. I'm gonna fake lang. Hold up. Okay. Yo, look at me. Everything on top of me. North side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On 6-0. Pull headbutt. Kill. Nakamiss. Nag-engage rin sila. Huwag kayo nag-engage rin sila, okay? Now reset fast. We're gonna engage again fast. Wala. Fake. Yo, they have cooldown.
Ready.
On the mage, deep ah. Northwest kayo. 5, wait, just walk. On the mage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage lang. Kite back east, kite back northeast side. Northeast side ang kite. Northeast side ang kite. Yo, one shot yung mage. Reset yung cooldown nyo. Defend now. Yo, everything, west side. Full engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it to the mage. Send it to the mage. Hindi pa pala gago na. Bakit half HP to mage? Come back. Heal up. Kahit back. Defenses. Oh, defenses. Kahit east. Sige, kahit east.
Down ako.
Kahit east lang. Heal me. Healers, heal me. Sustain. Heal on everyone. Fake yan. Walang engage yan. Okay.
Fuck.
Full heal muna. 160 ah. Perma engage, get ready. Do you have perma?
Dead.
They're looking ah, looking. Yung skull, looking. Royal, patulak ka sa akin. Come northwest. Full engage inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside. Okay, come east side, come northeast side. Nagpot, sige.
Pitas na lang tayo isa-isa. Yung hanap.
Yung ginagawa natin eh.
Yung nag-gigpat na yung buo eh. Markahan.
Hahatak si 6 ah.
Looking pa to ah.
You look at southwest over the wall. Kita nyo si 6 sa southwest. Over the wall. Wait. Fake yan. Over the wall. Southwest over the wall. Perma. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on him. Nagpot siya. Come northeast. Come northeast agad. Nagpot siya. Wala siyang defenses next ah. Wala siyang defenses sa next engage. Royal, masyado kaya ito deep.
Wala nang pagsunod.
Come southwest.
Hindi pala.
Nag-engage na.
Look at 6 ah. Look at the skull. Send it on the skull. Southwest, get ready. Step up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On him. Come back. Late na. Come back agad. Engage yan. Come back. Engage yan. Careful. Engage yan. Careful. Good bedrock.
Hindi mo nasa gitna.
Sige lang. Reset nyo lang cooldown nyo. How many seconds? Can we perm... Do I have my perma back? Wala pa.
Pabalik pa lang.
LCDC? Nandito ka na ba?
Mamatro, may homesick ka pala. Uy, yung looking.
Southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Kite back. Huwag kayo magstay sa loob. Yo, get ready. Look at the mage. You have cooldown, tell me. Heal me.
Okay.
Southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kite back. They're gonna look. 6-0's looking. Come back, kite back agad. Far kite. Defenses. Help west side. Help my tanks west side.
Balik.
Help my tank. Help ratios. Oh my god, sinipa ka pabalik.
Wala.
Okay. Look at the mage. You have cooldown. On the mage south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage south. Kite back. You heal me. Kite back. Huwag kayo magstay sa northeast please. Hahatak yan. Ready. They're looking west. Cool down. 6-0 looking. Step up a bit. Southside, look at me. Look at me lang. Southside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Alright, then spread. Spread northeast. 6-0 looking east side. Defend east side. Ay, ilang beses ko lang sabihin yung side na yan, man. Alam niyo naman, ang hilig nila dyan sa side na yan eh. Ilang beses na kayo na-engage dyan eh. Can you guys just stay northeast side? Northeast side. Just stop saying
Ready.
southeast.
Ready.
Okay. West side. Step up. Come to me. Follow me. Shallow on me. Wait. Defend now. Wait. South side, southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Come back. Pag-guard dun ng taas ng Zerg ko. Defenses. Demon. Heal up on everyone. Heal up agad. Good. Reset your cooldown fast. How many seconds reset? Kill this tank inside. Ano to? Kill this tank inside. Destroy ang breaker. South side. Look at south side. Get ready. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Now come back. Kite back. They gonna have engage, ha. Defenses. Fake. They have one more. They're gonna send it. Careful. Careful the people in the front. Come west side.
Ready.
Yo, can we just kill the mage? Southwest sa mage. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on the mage. And kite back. East side kite. Okay, wala pa yan. They're gonna main engage real soon. Now. Defend now. How are we still dying? Even though we know they're gonna engage. Look at south. Step up, south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Kill the mage. Ready defenses, okay? No, spread. Walk in west. Yo, careful. 6-0 looking. Come to me. DPS, hello. Ready, headbutt. Pop your butts. Spots, okay? Hold on me. West side. Look at west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Now spread. 6-0 looking. East side. Defend east side. Oh my god, cleanse nyo naman agad yun, guys. Now spread northeast side. Heal up po kayo pag lukay sa northeast side, ah. You have cooldown? Tell me if you have.
Ready.
Step up south. Fake. Double OC. Come west side. Come northwest side. Burma engage. 5. Wait. Cancel. Ready. Defense out. Wait. Spread kayo. 6-0 on the east side. Fake. Defend.
Okay na.
Wait. On me. Get ready, okay? Look at east side, ha? Wait lang. Atake na, spread naman nila. Southwest. 5, inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill this inside. Now spread. 6-0 looking. Cleanse agad. Spread. East side, careful. Defend east side. Okay? Then push. Brawl them. DPS, look at me, DPS, look at me. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill this guy. Okay, nice. Now spread northeast side again. Careful, they're gonna have engage yun, ha. Spread northeast side. Cleanse west side. Nalolow sila. Defend west side. Okay? Heal shield. They're gonna look. Heal. Come northeast if you're low. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna mark again, ha. Perma engage. Get ready. Look at the GA east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage east side. Come northeast.
Wala yung DPS na. Sige lang.
Come northeast. I'm at the northeast side, guys. Hello? I'm at the northeast side. Hello?
7 seconds.
Fake. Main engage coming.
Ate sa madami. Pwede mo itong huliin, no? Wala bang pwede mag-stop na tank?
Yo, can you be at the northeast side? Perma engage, southwest shallow. 5, on me. 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Now spread. Patay sa healer nila. Ready, looking si 6-0. Reset agad kayo. If you have cooldown, tell me.
8 seconds po.
Okay, 8 seconds.
Pa-jacket. Anyone?
Careful, huwag kayo masyadong pa-damage taps, okay?
Thank you. Ready? Movie.
Okay, get ready. Look at west side. 6-0 looking, fake. Yo, look at this perma on the west side. Step up. Perma engage on the skull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the skull. Now spread outside. Engage si 6-0, engage si 6-0, ready defenses, okay? Engage si 6-0, looking si 6-0, defenses, 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 defenses. Oh, reset kayo ng cooldown, reset kayo ng cooldown, reset kayo ng cooldown. How many seconds?
4-4.
Reset, reset, puppy punch, 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 punch!
What the fuck?
Southwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest.
Pauta na GA pre.
Ka notice. Hindi ba kayo naka, ano? Hindi ba kayo
Wala
naka...
ba?
Hindi ba kayo naka... Hindi. Kahit southwest. Kahit lang.
Take yan
Hindi ba kayo naka, ano? Naka cape, smuggler cape?
Nakaswag.
Pag tinatawag ko yung pots, ano reaction nyo? Wala?
Loki nga.
Oh, tak.
My god. West shallow.
Yung mga
Southwest.
Piercer lang yung pumapatay sa atin eh.
Yeah. You guys realize, right?
Patch nyo na yung Mixed Piercer.
Kanina ko pa nga sinisisi yun eh. Iniubos ko yung blinks nila eh. After ko magsisi, pag wala silang cooldown, lalo yun.
Waiting for primary gear.
Silent mo lang din, ano, Royal. Di ko maabot.
Yeah, listen. Huwag kayo masyadong spread. Can you guys sa northeast side lang kayo?